Yo, it's here for Mamunyina Mwakwaba about the social media violence sports stadium. It's the match between Team Liga Wives, any other Brony, and the supporters of Team Dada Lumba, any Team Jad, coupled with Team Yadi Baby, any Eshabie, Wamabe Gogo Pramandu say, Dewa, Ghana former Sumyo dancing in Ababe Gogo Pramaiso, Obia Tanason, Eti Besi, Team Liga Wives, Obamane, we move, Omania Briem, who's Omoki Komo home, our social media and so, Wamaki Komo Sasa Jessica, Amino Kasika Besine, Yanum Tokoyasim, Ebuki Kasa the other in there. This is a yoko for them because I don't know confusion sim. Ebimusu Sikani JJ Yano, African City Kwabiso, Ebimusim Conformer and accounts, Sabato, Nanya bid then also starting lineup no. Okay, without wasting much time, Mami first starting lineup no. Emma Fenini and Tuga first. Team Liga Wife, almost starting lineup ni Sister Shatawale, one of that goal posting him, Single Life number 2, Base Scout Nana Prempe number 3, Ashanti Queen number 4, Sabato Jan number 5, Obatiwa captain of the day number 6, Ola Oja number 7, Ziga Oja number 8, Afe number 9 Saliman number 10, Ohimawe Eje number 11, Ayo attain almost we move, and so much Fako, this is Statue of Liberty, Nedeme, 110, Apotoka Rebecca se coach no, Aya Papa she, East Coast West Coast at the perfect time. East Coast just a summertime, I share, Mokai Sabapano, and Nadia, or say Evangelist Papa she, aka Documents, aka Young Kubisobia, Minami Yonko, Wominia, who said I mentioned Fufu, aka at a Paba Kwine, 1-2 other deputies, Aya Enestina Fosu, Jigga, and Alpha Chief Mazua, Aya Akosua Brimpama, Ako Brims, as she's affectionately called, Woko Team Liga for the bench, almost star players beat his Samson Wa, His Royal, Queen Emma, Millie Nash, and Alpha Evangelist Bright. Quickly, Yanko Timodo body lineup no, number 1, all that go posting him, Aya Ohilere, number 2, Aya Evangelist Frida Afriye, right back, Afe number 3, Aya Ohileba Media, number 4, Ediamwa, 5, Swanipa, 6, Mizella, 7, Chicken 1 TV, 8, Fresh, number 9, Aya Nation Media, number 10, and Fia Schwarzenegger, Afe Captain Fantastic, Brantene, number 11, 10 Waho. Afe Yanko Timodo Brony bench, players a Kukudai, and a Titi Honum, Michamania, Mihu Slim the Dancer Buster, Afe Mihu Dr. Ren, 1 million at the bench on super players, Okete Pepebi, what a bench, and Afe Mama Cash, Davi, on also to bench, Afe Wahine, and a King Shadabadam, one more say other 2-star players are, one more Timodo Brony bench on them, Afe coach, our do a Dobroni team no, Elkwan and him in Kurindemu, Abusuapanin Tupac, you heard me right, Abusuapanin Tupac, with me 2 deputies, Aristo, Asunaba, and Afe Team Mazua, Meslin, and as a Botma. Mika was a Jumako Yasne. I made the commentary, bro. No fine washing powder, the number 1 washing powder in Ghana now. Echitafoni Baye, Stadium High Daye, Obia Tenaso, Ekundi Francano, Ekratimodo Bonifua, Wamu Himni Babia, Team Liga Wife for Omania Bressa Crodom, Omo Francana Coco. Wamatiti Kwajabu Bomuti and Omobo, Yampino, Biara, Yanchelo, and so, and Yan on the Bedia Himoha. Make I was a Kensia Kosui, a your official Somabe Toyum, Ama Kensena Koso, Ama Bibia FFF and 1 year crado, Yakola Wana, and the traditional media, TV and radio, Yabala in Tunswa, and the social media, Facebook and TikTok, a face center referee, and the Kumasi High Court, and a match commissioner, and the Ghana Justice System. Yes. Sound Kofa Yenchi, Mekai was say, Team Odoboni, Omo backroom staff Bia, Omania DA, Michema, Council for Odoboni lawyer, Daddy Lumba lawyer, and your Abusuapanin lawyer, Omania Nefomu show working, Omon Kasapi, a Jumano uniform, Wasubuswa Wutia, a Huta radio, 100.5 FM, Yahutedi, Yase a higher than Swampa. Team Liga Wife for aggressive too much, Obi Tomofo, Senya Tenidiani Dado, Namum Sido Besasha Shodema, Mekai was say, I am your number 1 commentator par excellence, MDY Monarch, Dakwa Young, Mia Bofana Defa, Abajuma Dofo, and I'm Yadugin Chifon Satamfo, Jabay from Penabia, Majimaja, and Ami Tuja, and the commentary more Hema bro, Wafim, who came to a dream, baby Biawobia, Sami Tumania, Mihuda 2 teams coming on the pitch with the match officials, Team Odoboni, almost a fita, all white, and Team Akosua Serwaa, Liga Wives, almost all red, the pacho. wo chena wo hwe ma badwen se eye Kotoko ana Liverpool ena wo chen so do broni for no wo badwen se Real Madrid but we Team Liga Wives versus Team Odo Broni referee wa fra captains mienu wa tozo coin when I wini Odo Broni ko for na wini. This is a bad omen for Team Liga Wives. Nancy Yansha, if winning the toss is going to be a reflection on the game, and Penisi Banchinya, Jana Betcher, referee, or Fred Captain's Linu, Teams Lina take you on position, referee Bisa Samoa Cardona, or say Anne, when they pass a bono. A Team Liga Wife, born in the center circle, Mekai was a bono, a dear Dasso, the court case, and to send to Mamesa, Ebabo, referee, was Sheba Commission was signal line 1, line 2, Samoa Crado, almost say I, referee Bonabemo, Hana Passabono, or Batua, or Piabono, or Sabato, what just for Fewadan, Hobacumino, or Shannon Intin Soso, or Pia Casino, or the Mas single life, or also Pia de Biscout Prempe, Biscout, Wadano, or Pia Bonaque Chetin, or the Akoma one goalkeeper, Sister Shatawale goalkeeper, what chickens national motum. Or catch any players, they say Liga Wives. We move, more common. What buckets less in tin, it's a career more panai. Where Ziga, what about him? What Piazza Bacumino, or Codenimo, beautiful interception by Ohliba Media Canato, Wajabono, or Tetiaso, Bacumino, or Dema Frida Demahai, Ediamoa, Sonipa, oh Sonipa, dazzling herself in the middle, or the Konechi, or the Komahai, I Chicken One TV, New Huye, or making some incursions into the half of the Liga Wife, yet piano to form referee a foul. Referee Dabi, me who say I team or the Boninko Fono, or my mom wants us to touchline home say objection, my lord. Dabi won't make you can just say. And until I referee, me change the Kumasi High Court, or say objection sustained. What you want to 100 directly? Me who Reverend Obofo, or catch any place in the Munyabotre, Munim 70 me Obofo, many who actually. Munja ye, Reverend Bofo, or Piabo in Tiaso, or the Amefiashua, no hoarding, or Jibono behind me calling him, a Fiashua, Bakumenu, or in your nothing, or Piaso for the other half, or the Mamma.
Some Kroymun Sam, Obise Sebejo, and we say more Kwaba, Eddie about GH report. So na ene ya the videos a hodwa air trendy media no so the edition na editie. Na ubetimi anam so ache wadwene afa ho no eno ne yede ba besomo na abusua enen nsem ne de bebre na air trend uram o TikTok dia bebre na air trend ye besre enen ne ye first time a o join ne ye wo kroyi mu nsem so e wo GH report so dia abusua ye besre na wotimi subscribe a follow page no na enkomo no etimi aye kama afi wo like video no e share link no so e de maya ye ne beje na emom no o comment kra dia na wakuye kra na abusua without wasting much time yemongura mu na yanhwe ensema hodo dia akwaje kekeleke dia akore samte which is the dia akosi boss say panyan e wo media no so no yentimi enfa ensomo
mantaine bakumienu mantaine wachibaku
ayo ba no ene yi ona jinsa no obi ekosra wo de kosi hema aso di hona obi ekopra wesibeti bako ho hema ama wesibeti bako ho hema ama no ade okapre no ade osempoa wesibeti bako ho hema ama no de sa wasem kodi santahene wa eyi a Manhyia bebere meka ama o meka mama na aka ama onte da bia ewuraka so na afe wo hene so na bokose santahene yi no chense ne nana asemesi wa firim ebia no wagidin kakra ne ade ni nyina ho wa wo de anyi din no so de kokwa ni hu na no apo ba bia tena ne mu ya no mo de agidi ne say ye santi mu amagidi ne ade na mo de santi no wadi pam ebia me na afiri mu na ja hwan so santi ko na mi se yehu me
Minyi dio nana.
Anu no mutimi kese yewura yie na wo de nsama no amakwan koye yie etise de ayie ba okoman ne ho wo hina onko na kosi yie pepepe so ho ebu anu de no opejam kakra e de akoso utimi ko ohene eko okwa awo nsa no ode ama no wasom ene ayi fo wo nkwafo mbeje ene watufu kakra na akọ mama mkwan nti bre no so a it's a invitation so pepepe emre no so a no ayi bi abofo bi a ana ohu anu akase mo kosi manan e wo ho ne fe no na die tie ni sɛ wɔhene anso nsanimu a wonsi ayie wonti ani yo saa de we ya akwa ba social media so tibi kra na sɛ wohene no irrespective of ekuro bi a wowom wo Ghana ha wo ya kani kwasiw kuroma hina yie na wanyensa anso wonsi na yie wo ahu no wonsi na yie enti bra wo mo kɔ hɔ a mo ka sɛ mo nkɔ mra Thursday ya wada no kyerɛ wa me hwe wonsi yie enti yehoye na ba mu no ɛna minimo no so won sɛ hɔ no ɛkɔba sɛ na mama China kora no na sɛ ɔwunumuni ɛyie ne yɛsi ya yɛnkɔyɛ ya ade na ho ane kan mo sɛ ya hemfudi bi de so abahem ne wo sɛ saa ma hen ne bɛ kan yɛ mu baako wi fidi no ɛna Abusuapanin no so ba sɛ da bi ɔmo sɛ yɛnkɔyɛ hyehyɛ yɛnkɔyɛ yɛ yie tie kɔyɛ yie ɛhɔ no wo se santehina yie ana da bi once santehina yie mo me sua de yie pa ya hwɛ nneɛma bi ya yɛbɛkasa tia yan kasa sɛ yɛ kyame kɛse a wiase nyinaa ɛbɔ mu asɛm no di nini ya kasa tia no ukɔse ayi ya nye wo nsa ɛdi ntina ukase yase wa ayi yɛnsi ayi dedi kan no die to so mienu aka na mienu amma baba ye Lumba yi no Manhyia nkasa issue official statement say Lumba yi no Manhyia ni ensa bia ye dan ewum ipajo kwasi yi a ana ohene de yi a ejo baba ka se onim ho bi dabi di abusua na anka wo ho amom anya baako antimi anko wo hene nim with one common we say no go and I say mind no aho mo nyina mo anya adwere baako a asomdwe ni mu nti no wo hene wo so saa yinum a enya yi mo komna taje na taje ne se yedi asantema kanso wa ta me na ba bi nyina so ba be se yi ta me na bi na unya no ye wura ne hwehwe na wo abrofu timbe so wo kotwa kwan be so wo kosa ba ko bebe tanta zo mu hu omo mbugu ne private omo mbugu no this year up to bit magazine ye buku awie omo buku awie wo obeba ho anwan ade se bia mpofiri mu die bia beba appointment bia ye buku awie enti ye hu ohene saa keke so jase enti besre ayisie bia anim me se santini na ami no mehu se ayisie ko saa so na tie enti se Manhyia ba wo ne nsa afiri ho a obi ka se Manhyia de ma kwan so monkoye ayi a na menti ase ensa no ya anye enti nsa no kura no ya anye no onkose ayi ye to so mienu official statement afiri abase Lumba yi no Manhyia nsa nim ekire wo sei ukoware asante ukoware na papa nimpon wo ejina bedwam kase aware a me be kwa aware gere me nsa nim a ekire sei so ampra aware no so na mo ontimi kase se ni ntino o de se wachira nsa nim enti
ana adentina me ba so adentina ye na nanom ye nyame kese ne nsanim Next Abusuapanin di yiji no ho ano. Next na ye na nanom ama out meka nche se wo onyai ye na nadin a wode ye ne sa na ntia bi ama. Next na nipa ne de na nadin eyi no ho ano ma sabio. Ye no man kie nsebie esukwa no mate se ye. Ya no betimi sebe eti nyame. Up to date. Wode ne ho yi no ho.
Maame nye asemu ya no. Na mesrɛ mo obi a ɔha biya nyina so mu na montie e mame. Bidika ka sɛ pani die mante yewura onte asɛm framam enka wo aya ɔno nya de ne ba n'animu a sɛ de abɛbɔ ɔkɔadu no. You cannot be a judge in your own court na meboa. Che de kɔadu no bɔ wa obɛkae sɛ ɔkɔpie wɔ committee n'animu no. Etiefo mo ntie asɛm ameke. Abusuapanin ni tema maame brempɔmo aka ntam na ɛkɔpie dasifikuo no. Bibi kɔɔso manfo ma adwena amfa ho antie nsɛm ase ɛhɔ na sɛ nkamote asɛm ase wasɛm na mmaaye ana aka sɛ na esi ni sei asa sɛ bi atai koro no boy one day ana na asɛm betoy ɛna edi na asɛm ɛna edi ne asotwe ma no tamo mo kopie hɔ no abusuapanyin ka sɛ ɔmo busa sɛ adenti na ayi no six na person ye no so wakwase mampanyini wase mpanyifo mpanyiti abɛsi wotumfo na ɔka no radio so sɛ mote ya na ɔka no radio so wakwase wotumfo no mo ne ayi nyinaa nti no wakwase ayi nti no six no ɔsesa na enye dai enye yi aga de grade busa sɛ ya esi ayi da bɛn ɛza court ɔkosa akɔka wɔ court wɔ kora no sɛ wo masi ayi ana mo so wanya amane kasa asɛm de kasante hene na ɛte hɔ na saa asɛm wi ba ya nka asɛm kɛseɛ enso so sante hene bia no ɛho mɔboro ɛwɔ n'anim enti de ba ya ne sɛ ɔmo ka sɛ wadi toro ato sante hene so sata na akoso radio na so ɛma appropriate channel baabi ɛsɛ sɛ asɛm no bɛtɔ no ɛmɛtɔ hɔ tram di ka kyerɛw sɛ Supreme Court wɔ hɔ na kro no bo okoso a enya court na de koptam kromfo no edede ba ye twene ne abo no kwadu e o channel se fa so to asem maya na me chiama che obi say I think the kokofu man no say what na so 50 years na asem ko back what ni nyina on ka so dani we ni sa one day na asem bae no ni se betu no e wura na asem pamwa otu no so akono enti se wasam ma ya na ka se bi o ye yete abontin oh wo betima bibi wo betim yes enso so bibia wo ne kwan e fa so a e de ba onse beto empanyifo anim se onkose otumfo ayi no ye ma ne twa edwan.
But Nana, the question is, Nana say, Sebi, Yamekasi, Sebi, and I'm a bold young Moasi, but was it a pretty tough for power? But I said, they won't care, dear Maame, when they say, Nana, as someone better than any one, but what say, but one can, because of
one say, I'm not one say,
that is so better if you penny for now. Bit to say, Sabi, Miss Everybody. Nana, Sama Hene, Nana, Nana be a Otiami Yanka, so Otiami no.
Pancreatic.
Saying no, was like a cowboy and Nana. I'm a necessary, never was into one fight, Nana, and Bremo. But woman, and I, my dear son. We maintain you move.
David. Obiara ni wa wabre de kapre de sempo aso odi asema na bi so betena konya isu enna onsuma obi ada bia watena se ka se enkotua sika ma obi obedi ne kwa wasem na beto nanimu wasam no beto nanimu a nukure bia wo mu bia Ebededi. No could be a woman bia. Ebededi. Santa Hene, or no Hene, Santa Hena. What di asam asre or hini bia? Awaba. In case I would no. A bro Santa Hini bia wa betrum bia dear so. What di case be brave. Inti otnasia eye no kure ene na yeso no de ato. Court kura de so kwa benya lawyer. Amana gije gije mmamma. Inti se ne wasem kopia himfie di a. Saa yi ne de wo ho. Inti yesre say
na number so just a minute. Na watch mu me pa so me bo me mu aseka sa se me se mo fa nche me wa me sere mo. Watch mu bia ne de esi ho. Ba de bia me kan branches no ena me hu bia no ne fa esitie. Go around no. We na create all this mess. And confused.
I don't know the na say kwa na ewu aka de bia so ka. O se sabi you omo mo nkoma asante no sabi you aduane die so ka ho omo fu na e omo de ene de ewu aka na me meka nti de de yesa meka to bi so o se aduane aye bi mu de dodo to mo nso nkoma asante man aha enti ye ka ne ye ka kowie ni se otumfo na ase tutu na mekase ohene bo mu ase oni abusuapanyin bia eni twaka akunya bi oni abusuapanyin bi eni twaka dabi oni bi oni obi eni twaka eyawo wo hema ne tu eya fisem ene kura mudi amaba kwa na akobie sante hema ahemfie modi akwa sante hema ahemfie asa ade se bia ntam bi kotoso ansa na bi atimi enna ohene ni mawura so tiase enti minim nyinaso a let's say yantwen na ono no mfa nyinaso bi mmra se bia ni nyinaso a wo ka se we nti ana sante hene pe ana betimi etunu no enna mpese behwe nemum kakra minim sante amamre amane kakra minim amesua me nkora adie mu amesua ne se emfa yewura ho emfa ne ho emma na kache nti ebia nchemu bi ho bia ebia seja ebi nim de sen die nim ansa na me ba akra so na ma ye consultation so bebrebe to find out consultation kakra me ye no kra che se de tiarity nti mi baby a o drive saa de tumi no se sante hene pe ene betimi etu no ebia na ko fa chiri kusua che sante hene wo dem de one so propose o man so aye de woni sante hene ni twaka yene de tieni ade ba ko ni te asamba na se ebiti se offense case e bai ohema ni gina one side ana we gina one side so e bai opamo ohema no o tumi so opamo ohema e betimi kura pasen ka busua panyin ni kura nyina ko gina one side no mo yi ase asante amamra beka se omagu omasa amamre to betimi apamo obi o wa kunya no hu nyina afiri ho obetimi apamo obia owa kunya no nyina afiri ho so ahuru nembo we kwade ente saa we do kwade ente saa enti no minim se dem dikan ye na mintimi nka se bebre nim se me ebia no bi so wo ade foforo bi ebi ofi se eye sante hene ne betimi ewura de betimi etu no dia bibia side bibia side
na kan ya eye mani je ekese ne se wonnim se ebia na wokosua eche ye na wo dem de wonnim ba for now ne de wonnim se abusua panyin nsu Thanks. Yes, any partner one shine saying, and yet another was it to know. If I can so.
Debbie. Ana make us say, if I'm in so good such a some can make. Aha, me dey some can no mum no. Aha. What do you want? Who want to be a good talk a crabby and you have a friend you and oh 80 Namdi Kaka say. Prepare the second, you want me years, prepare the second time. Anna Sadi Manin see a check. Tebusiani crady. Enya dear. The patch maker.
Nana Basha.
And you know, Sadia look like Uncle shower baby. And see near a tear no, no. Now, a year with ye, but I come a year to time I hear ye. And Cornunia is in so. Then to me, you one of my dreams, I said, wine a day air call to time I know. Sorry, what fancy me. Paco saw him now, what is this? Yea. So, you know what I'm paying for. The Buzame who question said, wine and Lumba, Tama, Paco saw him a cuna toy. Or any better than Lumba copre, yeah. Abusuapanin Tupac that Chima Lumba Wayna, you know, the Cunano Newaya. Or anyway, we are.
Me patron there be and only
On the hoop for all.
near friend of Wusu.
Okay.
Me patron, what can ye? Ye Maame, ya dan Otaba has say, Ma Dina, ne papa, any sa Wusu na, no tear or tear Akunyana Suna, ye know, and the Abusuapanin we buy. Me patron, no, honest.
Oh, okay. And was a mount to time my hinny because Muboa or Modicusi a quo I won't fit. Into two time my hinny some question. Ye must I say, Omutimico say to time my yana. There be man test some cosy to time my hinny. Paco so in a cry, see us in a year, no, we the assay, we see and see yet, we see and see yet. Actually, I feel for now, the catcher say. O Maame se anameboa na no won kan na mo fere no bode nsa bi gya ye ni ade nto Maame se ana wo ho ba cho Maame nko ayisie na ekọ so menhia ye mu bi nti ase a na titimi kasa ti a kyen no sa wo ye santini
me hu se ewia yi no na bi mu di etinye se enye no kre oda so ye Abusuapanin na se ni se and nothing I'm about. Me catch them say me no. I want to hear from the horse's own mouth.
Yeah.
And a ye meeting no Paco so no me fly delay and me ambeto so. And I'm in penny for I'm sure mo ho or mo pie ya mini and I'm aba. And I may tie every a fire opoku ankasa.
Yeah.
Ano. And o catch and say o mo to na dia so. Go fire. Celebration of life. I'm a person with your mother Lumba.
Yeah.
Ebebasu.
Ebebasu chese o is no cry na. Ne pesi ye BBC. Ye de be ya kwan bedem. Nyame aye adom ne se BBC aba. E bi kra e da ye be gina ye no kra no. Nipa na ye ne wasem no is no more. Ti wo hwa asem no be den. E bi ana abae. Camping fever.
Okay.
Inti empire na ye bo se bibia be okay. E be okay so. We free back on a commune. You say, you're free back on. Timiano so by all means, you're back.
And Moda so ye mo she share
any day, because at Aquam because once a maybe a basse or no yebi. And I feel Omodi Sikabito so a boca in Kutia. And he said, Yes, yes, we boca.
Mobile Jesus can.
Say any, I went to the wise is enough. To no boca it yentmentia. And I almost a penny ma okoye. It is answer a boca no entmentia. About me, so maybe you come my see and quayade. And yet, and this idea natures a gun and ye Ghana.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Nature say, Senia Omubu Mobem, I cast a movie 20 billion.
On Wabocano.
2 million Ghana cedis.
20 billion.
2 million Ghana cedis. Senia Mocanon. Semun Kuchian.
mo intimate ya man koye ni
ezi enso aboka
mo nso se ano
yaboka
nyoma mo de ato akwam no maboka
yaboka
enti se
ono so ye nso so ye ntimi a anya yi a na o de to so na se ye penema no a obetu ye kama ye we de anya ade bi ye tit for tat any cry de anya me ya na meka the same thing, the same process also my light no
yeah ti abusuafo enu na me de confirmation na me de abre won Abusuapanin Tupac is no longer the head of the Corner family or the head of the Fosu royal family of Insuta and Pakosu and Eko. And then a money and money penifo a web bushanimu a crow different. A be shy. No more kita placards. Obiashi tum. Amobe kan omasem. Amude omasem eba ebe kan ye bibia omu wie no mo grant media interview mo ye me followers intina me baha me twa kwan almost 3.5 hours me free parcours around 5 na mabedua na me ofa abebon komo kaka na me pese o confirm ema wankasa woti no wasu na wo hu se eyampa omaye meeting no etu Abusuapanin efiade so enti wofa 23rd mo beba court no
ye beba court decision enti entimi mo so
ti mo beba
ye beba entimi ntwe lawyers na no ofem no wo mo na wo mukuta mbra enti ye kwa bia so 23rd ye beba
okay na decision mo take we no e den na e dia ba Abusuapanin how do you feel
enije
enije ade na ye enije amamu
so okra we ni beje okra we ni beje because
na chese na ni o me koso no na
nye o de ye me pese me ya ne se o de ye mame kwan na ye wa ye ya pakache nkrofo
Abusuafo so this is the end of the interview Mebacho, Namano Nedahono. If you want to appreciate him, send it to this number and you will receive it instantly, like we did in the afternoon. But if you want to appreciate him, send it to this number. Nyami, and she will be bia. Me de interview na baby or for your pokuni Eviano, me de Mami Efia Pokuya, Efia Adoma interview ne breo. And number we me de for your poku diano. Abro. To amaye mama mu two sides I was that Lumba maternal family no menya akwenya na menya mama China by now they wada tebia de be china me gina nkran but menya akwenya na menya mama China so ono so me de ne de beba all the parties involved wo mo take decision say omo dimoti Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu
omo epene ye ma okoye eji se enso ye boka no entimi enti aba o mi so mbebie kwan ma mai se enko ye ade ene enye enti sa ade ane chese Ghana nye Ghana
oh sir
oh yeah
na chese senia omobu mobem aye ka se mu betua 20 billion
ono aboka no aboka
2 million Ghana cedis
20 billion
2 million Ghana cedis senia mo kan no se mu kutua no mo intimate ya man koye ni
ezi enso yaboka
mo nso se ano
yaboka
nyoma mo de ato akwam no maboka
yaboka
enti se
ono so ye enso so ye ntimi a anya yi a na o de to so na se ye penema no a obetu ye kama ye we de anya ade bi ye tit for tat any cry de anya me ya na meka the same thing, the same process also my light no
yeah ti Abusuafo enu na me de confirmation na me de abre won Abusuapanin Tupac is no longer the head of the Corner family or the head of the Fosu royal family of Insuta and Pakosu and Eko. And then a money and money penifo a web bushanimu a crow different. A be shy. No more kita placards. obia she tum
just say one thing say ade ba kon a me pesa me sra ne say de ye ka bia no ye nokre ena wo so ye obrempon wo ye de enyo wo se nana ne betumetu ne nana de sro ya no me kra me pesa me bubo se din no le omu ade se obi a woni nipa bi esan a huni preko pe ne se di ositie no hono wo ye tintin trinti ena wo ye tisin daka ade ne ye nokre enso so se enye nokre nipa bi a wetimi akotena ba bi asua hausa kasa ne ade sa no omo no life no ye no ye si so no ye too gentle to extend say busua no so ye dem me papa say sa we very gentle man but on say obi o ha ono no waye no to say gangari a che say won say ade no kra osimi nwi so we am hihyo eni say o kan asem a o boa kanokre eni medical kan we say the truth and the truth shall set you free ni power ha kanokre ana wo ya ade na nya wo de men ko ya dance wa bonten ma wa uti na esu kon so no yi wo ti na esu kon no so dance ne hu sa asem na ma die no me amiti bua mefo okoda utimi wo se bibi hunahuna wo si o da bi me yese ena Peter Tosh obonyum bi wo si fools die ade asie me mbo obi din o me go didi obi atem but fools die if you know you're a fool you die because right now no assembly no crossing no correct. Why do you argue? You don't have to argue on the truth because lies cannot defeat the truth. So if you are saying something truth a medical mouse near be America Mr. Money or Hopper and America ni catch you say 2 o'clock so by also obey me interview obey me interview o share me time I obey me interview by where how many hours
mache
I didn't know one gas obeche I didn't know one gas a offer me baby interview maybe I may take about 5 hours you have to say the truth you see because I know because idea bia you go far what far home no they make bia no kre what you say they make bia no kre
tina che say enenum ya kase Abusuapanin Tupac Kofiusu aka Tupac onye the corner family and the Fosu royal family of Akosua and Sutano
oda de wa wabusai de wabusai o me pese umusai bio asema ye pateku de no na oje ho achinye ade the internet and the social media and the hasi etu no but still continue I did allow na me kasi mi cho say ye ko bompa ye body ade me tamana me atonsu na mete he ene yete he bo din kire me esreso ase etimetim na ye pastor bi no your ba ye fe no Pastor Martha or your ba young girl satam ne nsu yesu bompa ya la Robert
Pane, and you go! Go! It's here for me, Kai. Miss Wusho, the Bonnie team now. Woman, Pipia Bonnie Pio. Almost touching on Musha was with a Pipia Casino. A dear summer counter attack. Now, show Mupesa. Almost 2 schemers be a Fiashua and a man saying it. Woman and Jebona. Oh, my all the damage. Anunti a referee, center referee Kumasi High Court. Where'd you go? Or pointed to the center circle. Osibon a go. Anunti, Team Liga. Almost some Kwani and the clowns over here. No more Kwani and Yakuno. A center referee. Also, there be Sasa Mabatogu, or Batugu Yenti, a Kwakwayan Kurindia, Adamo Dobroni. I can see from across the stadium. Celebration going on, emanating from the camp of the team of Dobroni. me hu so mo backroom staff no eye lawyers akuku dan no mo kasa no omo search ho omo him handkerchief omo him ama menyi na hu no se odobroni na obeye okunafo come on me hu se team legal for no bofu ye won bofu ho we pentin is no dey achewe na se ka attack money wanye enso so coach me hu se coach papa she East Coast, West Coast, and wine. Shanti Papa, Munya by the grace of God, we could document Bekasa. Yo, Mr. Document. Yasari starting game, no. Team Legal Wife. I'm a passable, no. This time, I'm a near Bressa Column. I'm a Piamono certain as well. Echo Tro. Referee Yanto. Yanfentia Legal Wife. Yes, yeah, Kaya Smedionum. I had 25 minutes. I had Team Legal Wife. I'm that for me Kabako. Coin tomorrow on Nation TV. Or tomorrow they are more here. Or here than who for 10 on the flanks. What Piamono. Oh, this is super beautiful. Or the Mahai, or the Mohiniba Media, or Hiniba Media Nebano, or the Amai Fiashua, Ni Huye, or the Bona Bakumin, who Channel Crown was sorry. Fiashua Snega, Nania Di, Octakesni, Bakumianu, or Piasso, or the Masonipa, Sonipa, why say Iniesta. Incisive pass on Quan, Sonipa, or Piabonoso, or the Mahai, Mizella, or the Macheco 1 TV, on the Kono, Bakumianu, referee, or Sabonia corner kick. It's a corner kick in favor of Team Odobroni. Abusuapanin. So we said ya can't send this corner. Odobroni team no. Omo kasapio. Omo nimani na ya go pamano so. Chese na de enkuko don twa pa don twa. Ya ka don twa woni ma de kro. Mobro don twa. Eno no omni team legal wife na tum. Chese bakumye no pepa. Eno omo coach no. Deputy coach. Lawyer Kusi Kasankwa. Me who's omo coach. East Coast, West Coast, was a white, and what a bench, or Bonnie Nano sounds who from and documents. Abusuapanin. So we said, I can't send any corner. Although Bonitino, Omo Casapio, Omo Money na go Pamanoso, Chesenadia, and Kuko don't chapa, I say Kuko don't chat on person the legal team for no, Atum, next team legal, remove. Referee, Obonabe, Omo to Conano, Etekoyemo, Pane, Go number 2. Fiashua Snega. Now we should legal wife for ya. We should Fiashua when any pass be, or any patente, Muje Jawatenti Gamo, Wo Sabato, Sika watching Yana Waje. What made down Mama Fiashua she, and the tapping Bonma to attend referee, Kumase High Court, or say go. Saminuka say, coach Abusuapanin Tupac. Was him inside Amosudia, so beside me super players of them. For first Slim Buster, and Dr. Ren, Omabeja Touchline, referee, watching you how many film. Aya Diamua, and the Mizella, what's the moment to my home? Fisa and Sadomoso, ya reserve more for the next game. Slim Buster, where you from mine? And Dr. Ren, also a fanboy. They are going to do more damage. And until relief number 2. Team Legal Wife, no more, she say. Court needs to quite Abusuapanin Tupac. Ya wa coach ama legal wife oni eye Odobroni e momon to kese wa ye no no eno so wo ba to agu go atosu nyenu no Abusuapanin say na good yen be kwadia. I can assure you say MC Team Odobroni from they came very prepared. Me who so bo fu ye Ashanti Queen the bo fu person girl fine girl she we challenge person the bo fu wo se bu gugu chanom sa na bo fu ma hamu sa coach so to tunensa coach Papa she. Or your substitution, where your double substitution. When we in a film, or Ziga, and you are Lamumpia, Momo Hui, Motiti Radio Suna de Amodana Mokamu film, Coach Sibra, Samsewa, or first Samsewana is royal, Samsewa was Sinise, and we are told the Senator Toby and Yaman and Yaya. Hey, Kesnehu, Lazenka first half of Soyo, Naso, Coach documents, also a strategic substitution. Abusuapanin, yet your Freddy Canterbury. You try Waba, near the first to another so. At the end of the first half, Team Legal Wife 0, Omoda form, Mobrodon Channel with them. And a team Odobroni, Omato Atlanta Tosumi, I'm not a 2-0, you try Waba. for welcome back from the break. You could try and work a crowd for tossing you know, and Chebia Besha so. Make was Sukuswa, would take commentary move come from the studios of Ahuta Radio, 100.5 FM, a higher day. We are about witnessing the second half from the social media violence sports stadium. Offending kind of not a Dobroni team, no. Asha Team Liga wife, a coming new kindness courtesy, Mantene, any a fiashwa. Yabasha, Seliga wife for better to one a referee. Most was said, I say. Yamfo fair to me and so. And until Timothy Bruni, possible. They are going to initiate play on the pitch. When the possible. The second half is underway. Sonipa, Wajamu Jama fresh. Wajamu Tiaso, Wajama Mantehne, or Yi Kachaba Kumunu, Chesomi Neskimes, or Piafin Ho, Rodama Fiashwa, from a Fiashwa to Mantehne, or Jamako Sabuaje. Akosabwajo Bobona Koyam, oh, I was so the Nelson Slim the dancer master, very skillful. Wajabona to the Bosso, Wadano, or the Mawe, Dr. Red, what tells him Tiaso, Wajam Jama Mantehne, or the Mohima Media, or Hima Media said, Debbie. Goalkeeper Penire, you are on a holiday. Now support Bonibi. Goalkeeper Penire, or the bonnet pimping was Mamini Kachobo Totas. A dear fellow sound of Bonitin when they say they initiate attack from the back. And then to goalkeeper, or Hinere, or two born in Tetiaso, or the my evangelist Frida, or Piabono, or the Mama, or the Dr. Ren to check a one to fresh to a fresh Stega, back to Dr. Ren view, or the Muslim Basta, acquire all flow, in fact, although Bonnie Timmy Dia Gomania Faya Konoye, at T4, when the Bonnie go, beautiful incursion into the half of the Liga wife, Slim Basta, what the one for defenders Menufifi, Nanso last stop, Obatiwa will try to form. Referee Slim Basta, sorry, no Anyoshe, Obatiwa will draw. Na basani guru wasu de putubra ha umaba to me ampanso a last stop was stopping Slim Basta. He's a dangerous player. Abusuafo me who say referee no when you call do post game no or ko check VAR yes more na penalty as a penalty chinyaba who referee ko check from the VAR position TF4 me who say Team Liga wife for the nyado bu saso mama no wo bompa referee say referee say a penalty. Was so about to challenge the Muslim Basta no. It was a foul. VAR position say penalty. Me who Slim Basta wajibo no simiani chamesho ho. Mebo ma de Slim Basta. O se jersey number 25. Ojabonachi. The number 1 goalkeeper for Team Liga wife, Sister Shatawale. Wo mi Slim Basta wa relax kra. Or Chichini Stockings, Referee Bonabe, Bakumi and Slim Basta, Obashana, or Contentenua, Bakumi and Panyai. Goal! Heads here for Slim Basta. Oh, yeah, me lady, ain't easy. Mina, me fewo, Mina, Slim Basta. He's under the third goal into the basket of the Liga wives and into the center referee at the Kumasi High Court under the auspices of the Ghana justice system. Ose go relief number 3. Yeah, Team Liga 4. And the Kutu court in him say, Odobroni, and me who is why you know, and also ya 12 from Primavia Torture, and Untayan Kumbia Tosumiansa. I'm a team Odobroni, Obio Wago Permanent Dance here. Say ever since Dr. Ren and the Slim Basta Belmano, all the different energy cry, and a Baba Kaho. Obi one day say no sekutaba, Akuko di Shebe Kumako, Timodo Broni. Oh my word. Referee, Waposo game video Team Liga wife. Oboya another double substitution. This time, Evangelist Bright, and Emily Nash, and Ebem. Obobayu high. Obobayu high in a film. Coach Papa Shi, East Coast, West Coast. Also, Himawi at the film. Sheton Anemia, Saliman who's film. The only man who's got some microphone, China watch him Casa, who won't film. Nanso Timodo Broni, the almost here. Yen change your behavior, Yen Sadam Sodada. Referee, or the good enough, she shall say and twasso. Yes, I can't see watching me and Nunie. I can't see my watch. Simon Wachipo. Now, so we shake Lia. You realize that Team Liga wife or my busy for nothing. The only man in aggressiveness and qua. Although Boni for the Pipa Abate. Any Jena shed Timodo Boni supporters not from Muma. Referee, Nahusawaji Bibi at the center circle. And yet, Timodo Boni. Or some when I could someone named Ranchine. One day no nonsense so what you be sure. Team Liga, say objection, my lord. Center referee also objection sustained. It's when a Jabonachi. Me who about you are. Why you busy pa? With Jabonachi. I can count as many as 7 Team Liga wife players in the 18-yard box of Team Odobroni. Obatiwa. Tiwa Pejabon with Tintin, a Tikuyemo, Obias Bonnie Yankubebe. What definitely about to defend the downgrade been so over the bar. What over the bar, what Timango. Goal kick. Team Odobroni. Goalkeeper. What Bobona Sim Tintin. Bona a counter, a 2 against 1, Nation TV, or Hine, or the man Bako, Mienu, or Hine, or Wasso, Sabato best sliding Saboni Sulia, or Hine the Bonnie Co, what you goalkeeper, and you go! Goal number 4 number at here for goal! Or Hine Manaya Kanai, and into relief number 4, quarter to actually, Sami that the Lumba body no, and free transition, so you have 12 from Puman baby. That the Lumba Yene Basso at for. I want to believe that was the last kick of the game because referee at the end of the 90-minute game, Team Odobroni 4, Team Liga Wife 0. Oh, what a shame! The Wusa supporters named Jalai, Atuamia Kazakasa, Afia Maame Akosua Brims, AK Akosua Kadibi, Wada, Papa C East Coast, or Associate White, Wada. Diga, oh, no, at here for Yadibesiano Macramo, Mosum for MDY, Adam de Bessie, Mesdames et Messieurs,